light pink color, dark pink color, light green color, grass green color, violet color, yellow color, brown color and blue color. Letter A makes the sound A, aeroplane. Letter B makes the sound B, butterfly. Letter C makes the sound K, cap. Letter D makes the sound D, dolphin. Letter E makes the sound egg. Letter F makes the sound fish. Letter G makes the sound gun. Letter H makes the sound horse. Letter I makes the sound ink. Letter J makes the sound jelly. Letter K makes the sound king. Letter L makes the sound lion. Letter M makes the sound moon. Letter N makes the sound nest. Letter O makes the sound octopus. Letter P makes the sound pentagon. Letter Q makes the sound queen. Letter R makes the sound ribbon. Letter S makes the sound snail. Letter T makes the sound top. Letter U makes the sound unicorn. Letter V makes the sound victory. Letter W makes the sound watermelon. Letter X makes the sound xylophone. Letter Y makes the sound yak. Letter Z makes the sound zip. Very good guys, you have learned the phonic sound of all the alphabets A to Z. You have to practice this every day. Yellow color, violet color, blue color, pink color, white color, orange color, green color, light orange color, red color and light yellow color. Orange color, number 1. Number 1, orange color. Now, blue will go on number 2. Number 2, blue color. I am going to trace number 3 with green color. Number 3, green color. Now it's turn for number 4. I am filling number 4 with yellow color. Let's move to the number 5. Pink color, number 5. Number 5, pink color. I am filling number 6 with orange color. Number 6, orange color. Blue color, number 7. Number 7, blue color. Green color will go on number 8. Number 8, green color. Let's fill number 9 with yellow color. Number 9, yellow color. Number 10, pink color. Number 10, pink color. Now move to number 11 and it's turn for orange color. Orange color. Number 11. Blue color. Number 12. Number 12. Blue color. Now I am filling number 13 with green color. Number 13. Green color. Again it's time for yellow color. Yellow color will go on number 14. Very good. Now pink color. Number 15. Number 15. Pink color. Orange color. Number 16. Number 16. Orange color. Blue color is going on number 17. Number 17. Blue color. I am filling number 18 with green color. Green color. Number 18. Yellow color. Number 19. Number 19. Yellow color. Pink color. Number 20. Pink color. Number 20. Very good. Good job, kids. You have completed from number 1 to number 20. Orange color, blue color, green color, yellow color and pink color. Very good. Keep it up, guys. Please like and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye-bye.